Good morning, students of 9th standard. All of you greeting from Jamnikar sir. All of you welcome in the new syllabus of 9th standard in the subject of algebra. Today we start the syllabus of 9th standard, subject algebra, chapter number 1. In this chapter, we learned some basic concept related for the set. So set, definition of set is here. It is the collection of elements in curly bracket. Curly bracket means this bracket. This bracket is a curly bracket. So this is the collection of elements in a curly bracket. It is called as a set. Set is denoted by capital letters, that is A, B, C, D, dot dot dot, that is extra. You can take any capital letter for indication of set. So members or elements of the set are shown by using small letter. We are taking the elements of the set, write that elements in a small letter, not in capital. Why? Because capital letters indicate as the set and small letter indicate as the elements of the set. If A is the element of set A, we can write it as A belongs to A. This symbol is called as epsilon. So A is the element belongs to the set A. How to read it? See, it read as A is belongs to A. Don't confuse here. This symbol is epsilon. Epsilon means belongs to. So A is the element belongs to say A. Similarly, A is not an element of say A. How to write? A is not belongs to say A. In read as A is not belongs to say A. So these are the related for the set. Now let us pick some set numbers. That is n. In all of you, n is a natural number, w is a whole number, I is an integer number, q is a rational number, and r is also the real number. So these are the set. So therefore, n is a set of natural number. So this number 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot dot. These are the numbers written in curly bracket. This is the same and denoted by capital letter. These are the elements. Second, W is a whole number set. In whole number, take 0. Others element from n set. 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. These are the element. 0 is also element written in curly bracket. And set is W. And W for whole numbers. I is an integer numbers. Integer may be positive, may be negative. Write this positive and negative numbers in curly bracket and form a set. It is called as an integer set. See, I is equal to dot dot dot. Here are so many negative numbers to the left side, and after this 0, here on right hand side is 1, 2, 3. There is a positive number. So positive number, negative number. With 0, what are the integer numbers? Q is a rational number written in numerator and denominator form. That is a P by Q form. This vertical line is called as a such P by Q, such that PQ belongs to set of integer numbers I. Means we can take the value of P and Q from the integer set. This P value may be positive, may be negative. Q may be positive, may be negative. But in this situation, Q is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that P by Q is a set such that P by Q such that PQ belongs to I, Q not equal to 0. It is a set of rational numbers. And last, R is a set of real numbers. Students, in this we have learned the some methods of writing a set. So here are two methods for writing sets. So first method is a listing method. It is also called as roster method. In this listing method, there are the some rules for writing sets. So first, write all these elements of a set in curly bracket. Whenever the element is given to you, write that element in curly bracket. This is called a curly bracket. And each element is written only once. Means same element cannot be repeated. Write each element only once and separate each element by giving comma. Means each element separated by giving comma. Order of the element is not important, means at randomly you can write sets of elements, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. Means don't miss any element, you write all, but repeated element cannot be accepted. So here are some example related for listing method. Let us see now. First, here write the odd number. So I am writing here, let A be the set of odd number between 1 and 10. Therefore, by listing method, therefore A is a set. What is A? Means any set can be represented by capital letter. Already we learned. So here by using listing method, write those number between 1 and 10. Which number you want? Odd number. So number between 1 and 10. So after 1, first odd number is 3. Next 5, 7, 9. This. See, these are the odd numbers between 1 and 10. Don't take 1. 1 is odd number. But we cannot consider it. Why? Because we want middle number between these 1 and 10. So this is your answer. Second. First is our second. Write the letters in the word of remember. Let. Take any set of number. That is, suppose let this set represent by P. So let P be the set of letters in the word of remember. Which method? By listing method. Listing method. So set, that is a P. Indicate this set by letter P. P is a set. You can take any alphabet for indicating this set. So which word is given? Remember. So take the element from this word. First element, that is the R. Second is E. Here are some rules. Write all these elements of the set in curly bracket. I am writing curly bracket. I am writing all these elements in, remember, word. Each element is written only once. Means same element cannot be repeated. So R, E. Next is M, then E. So here is E, here is E is repeated. Don't take E double double, take only once. So already we have put here. Now, then M, then B, then E. Already we taken here E. Don't repeat it. And last is R. So here, see again, R, E, M, M, E already taken. This M already taken. Then B already E taken, and R is repeated. So here, these are the elements in the word of remember by using listing method. Now third, write the letters in the word of complement. Let X be the set of all letters in the word of complement. So which method? By listing method. So therefore, X, take first element, that is the C, put comma. Why? Because each element separated by commas. Second, O, M, then P, then L, then E, M. Already taken? M. Don't repeat it. Then E. Already taken E. Then last M, T. So this is the answer. Now we start the second method for writing set. Rule method. It is also called as set builder method. Here some rules for writing this set. So first, write the general element by using variable and followed by vertical line, means vertical line. In the place of vertical line, we can use colon also. Now write the property of the variable which you used in this set. Let us see some examples. First, in set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and 64, 81, and 100. These are numbers. By using rule method, therefore A is equal to, these are the square numbers, perfect square numbers. So write, take any variable, suppose take variable X, write vertical line, this vertical line, means we can separate this variable from others contains, that is the property of the variable. X is variable separated here by giving vertical line. In the place of vertical line, you can use colon also. So X such that, don't say vertical line, X such that X is equal to, these are the perfect square. So take N for this number, these are the square number, that is the square, then comma. So this N is belongs to the natural set number. Means value of N will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that also. And then this N lies between 1 and 10. But here first number is taken, that's why it's equal to. Last number 10 is taken, that's fine, is equal to. So this set is represented by rule method this way. Second one, B6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48 by using rule method. Therefore, B is equal to, take any variable, suppose y, such that y is equal to, this is the table of 6, means 6 into n. N belongs to the set of number n, that's the set number n, and value of this n is lies between, means is equal to 1, 2, 8. When we are taking the value of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, till 8, put this value here, we get this set. See, n equal to 1, n equal to 1, put here, yeah, 6 into n, and just 6 1 6. Take 2 here, 6 2 12. Take 3, 6 3 18. Take 4, 6 4 24 in this way, plus 8, 8 6 48 this way. So this is the set written in set rule method. Now third, that is x is equal to A, E and T by using rule method. So therefore, x as it is, take any letter. Suppose here Z, such that Z is an element in the word of, which is this word 88, E-A-T-8. This is the word. These elements are taken from the word it. So this is the answer of this. In this way, we have to learn two methods, string method and second is the rule method. Now you solve this C. This is very simple. Similarly, you can solve this, and the word from this element is smile. So here use rule method and write that set in this way and find the answer.